Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to bend a line in Photoshop A to Z. First of all, open a new file, then click new layer. You select the pen tool and use line bend. Click for anywhere. Hold shift for fix straight line, then do not hold shift for bent line. Hold Alt, click, hold Alt. Okay. This line adjust. Click the pen tool, right click on your mouse, edit anchor point, click this anchor point, then click and drag it. Click and drag it. Okay, then step 2, hold shift for fix size and do not hold shift for custom size. Hold shift for fix size, edit to this anchor point. Click and drag it. Click and drag it. Step 3, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, and bend anything. For this example, applying this line for you can use for any object. Okay, you can use any object for this same formula. Press Ctrl T, hold, click this icon, and now this move and press Ctrl T, click this icon. Now see this custom ARC. For best way bend, go to edit tab and find this puppet warp. Click point for this, click point. Okay, then click and drag it or bend. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.